In this video, I'll show you how to crop a rectangle in Figma by cutting its path. This is a quick and useful technique when you want to remove part of a rectangle, split a shape, or create a custom vector design without using complicated tools. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Figma file and select the rectangle you want to edit. If you haven't created one yet, choose the rectangle tool from the toolbar or press the R key on your keyboard, then click and drag anywhere on the canvas to draw a rectangle. Once your rectangle is ready, double-click inside the shape. This will enter vector editing mode. You'll know you're in the correct mode when the rectangle's points and line segments become visible. In this mode, you can edit the individual nodes and paths that make up the shape. Next, press the X key on your keyboard to activate the Cut tool. This tool allows you to split or cut the vector path of the rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is still in vector editing mode before pressing C. If the shortcut does not work, click outside the shape, select the rectangle again, and double-click inside it to re-enter vector editing mode. With the Cut tool active, move your cursor over the rectangle's outline. You can click on any line segment or node to split or cut the path. For example, clicking on one of the rectangle's edge segments will divide that path at the selected point. You can also click directly on a node if you want to separate or modify the shape from an existing anchor point. After cutting the path, you can select and move the new points or segments independently. This lets you remove part of the rectangle, open the path, or reshape the object into a custom form. You can drag the nodes to adjust their position or select an unwanted segment and delete it if your goal is to crop away part of the shape. Keep in mind that cutting a path does not work the same way as simply resizing the rectangle with the regular selection tool. The crop tool changes what is visible inside a frame or image, while the cut tool changes the actual vector path of the rectangle. So if you want to permanently edit the shape itself, vector editing with the cut tool is the right approach. If you want a clean result, zoom in before making your cut. This makes it easier to target the exact line segment or node you need. You can zoom using the plus key, the trackpad, or the zoom controls in Figma. If you make a mistake, press Command Z on Mac or Control Z on Windows to undo the last action. You can also combine this technique with Figma's other vector editing tools. After cutting the rectangle, try moving nodes, deleting segments, or connecting points to create more advanced shapes. This is useful for icons, diagrams, interface elements, logos, and custom illustrations. So, to quickly recap, select your rectangle, double-click inside it to enter vector editing mode, press X to activate the Cut tool, and then click any line segment or node to split or cut the path. After that, adjust or delete the resulting segments to create the crop shape you want. And that's how to crop a rectangle in Figma using the Cut tool. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.